Hey everyone, welcome to CyberTropper. Today I'll show you how to silence notifications on iPhone using 3 simple methods. Method 1, enable Do Not Disturb mode. Open Settings, scroll to Focus, and tap on Do Not Disturb. Here you can customize it for people and apps according to your preference. For this tutorial, I'm going to customize on Apps. Tap on Apps, then tap on Add Apps icon. Here you can choose any app or as many apps as you want, then tap on Done at top right corner. Here's the key part. Tap on Silence Notifications from at the top to stop notification. Method 2, Quick Silence from Control Center. Swipe down from the top right corner, tap the focus icon, and select Do Not Disturb. Your iPhone notifications are now silenced immediately. Method 3, Silence Specific App Notifications. Go to Settings, tap Notifications, select the app you want to silence, and turn off Allow Notifications. You can also disable just sounds and badges if you prefer. That's how you control iPhone notification settings and reduce distractions. If this tutorial helped, subscribe to CyberTropper for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.